G'day, Steve here from Smartwater, here to talk about the Davey Rainbank rainwater harvesting system. Smartwater are proud Davey Black Master dealers and have been selling Davey water products for well over 20 years. Davey are an Australian company which still assemble a range of their products here in Victoria. One of the most successful innovations in household water saving was the introduction of the market-leading Davey Rainbank rainwater harvesting controller. On-site harvested rainwater is perfect for flushing toilets, washing clothes, washing cars, as well as irrigating your garden. It is possible to reduce your mains water consumption by as much as 40% or more with a Rainbank when connected to a well-plumbed rainwater tank. Rainbanks use tank water when available and then seamlessly switch to mains water when the tank is empty. Mains water is connected here, and this incorporates a dual-check backflow prevention device. The tank water is connected via the suction end at this point here. This is the discharge point of the system, which feeds out via pressure pipe to your plumbing around the house. We recommend an isolation valve on both the mains inlet and discharge for ease of maintenance and for troubleshooting. The Rainbank incorporates an automatic pressure controller that turns the pump on and off on demand. A low voltage float is connected from the tank to the controller. When the level drops to the determined level, the system seamlessly switches to allow mains water to flow through. This means you're only using the pump and consuming power when there is water in the tank. Also, if there is a power failure, it will default to mains, meaning you always have water. A lot of other mains changeover devices on the markets don't have floats. They rely on the tank running dry before it switches to mains. Problem with that is tanks silt up over time, and then you are pulling dirty water, debris from the bottom of the tank through into your pump and through your plumbing, which can cause blockages. Rainbank's high flow design allows maximum pump performance and minimal pressure losses for high efficiency and delivery of water up to 90 litres per minute, making it suitable for use in large residential irrigation systems. Rainbanks are rated up to 900 kPa. On the top of the controller here, you have the manual override button, so you can switch between water sources manually. It has a status LED with different sequences of flashing lights to help with troubleshooting. Rainbank has smarts built in and will only turn on when water demand is greater than 1.5 litres a minute, and source from the mains instead, reducing cycling and pump wear for small leaks. The Rainbank is available with various pump models, also available in tank submersible pump options. These are popular to reduce noise and save space, and also the potential for theft or vandalism. Davey Rainbanks come with a 3-year in-field warranty and are supported by Davey's professional trained service network. Davey Rainbanks should be installed by a registered plumber. Smartwater recommend the Davey Rainbank as the premium domestic rainwater harvesting system. For more info, please visit our website or come in store to speak to one of our experts.